Every company would like to provide product at the same time it's ordered, but that's not always possible. It's very important for you to be able to tell your customers when they can expect to receive their order if it's not immediately available for shipment. In Fitrix, during sales order entry, any unavailable items are immediately placed on back order. Let's go ahead and enter sales order so we can see this. Because this item is not in stock, this backorder screen displays. Notice the backorder available date field at the bottom of the screen. Also notice that if I change the order quantity from 5 to 15 and click on the new backorder date button, my available date changes. This available date is calculated real time so that you can tell your customer when their product will be available. When Fitrix Advanced Planning is used, this date is the next available receipt from the master production schedule. If you're not using the Advanced Planning modules, then the Fitrix Production Scheduling module can still provide a reliable date. If you use Infinite Production Scheduling, there are no capacity restrictions, so the time required to produce is simply the produced item's fixed and variable lead times, combined with lead times needed to stock any short components. The available date is then the order place date, plus the component lead time and the production lead time. If you use finite production scheduling, you're prevented from scheduling more work than you have the capacity to produce. This system is set up for finite production scheduling, so the program is first looking at open work orders and their due dates and quantities, less any other customer back orders that may exist in the system. If the existing work orders don't cover the shortage, the program then looks at the planned work orders and their due dates and quantities. If this still doesn't cover the shortage, the program lastly looks at the purchase lead times for any short components and then calculates the production lead time by looking at A, the hours required to produce the item per its routing steps, and B, the available hours at the work center that produces the item. It then calculates the new backorder available date. So in summary, in cases where there is insufficient inventory to fill a customer's order immediately, the Fitrix Advanced Planning and Production Scheduling modules can provide the real-time information needed to give your customer a reliable date on when their product will ship.